Using a DC power supply, pure nickel bars, white vinegar, and a dash of jet dry, I prepared the well-known green nickel acetate solution. Finally, using the green solution and a nickel anode, I slowly plated the super cleaned parts. The result is a glossy silvery finish which is beautiful and durable. Wow, it's amazing to bring vintage pieces to new life with a little time and effort. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more watch restoration content. Thanks for watching.